Creating a pivot table in Looker Studio allows you to summarize and analyze large data sets by organizing data into rows and columns. Here's how to create a pivot table. Open your report. Start by opening the report where you want to add the pivot table. Add the pivot table. Click on the Add the Chart button in the toolbar. From the chart options, select Pivot Table. Configure Data. Data Source. Choose the data source that contains the data you want to use. Rows and columns. In the Data tab on the right, drag and drop dimensions into the rows and columns fields. For instance, you can add region as a row and product as a column. Value. Drag a metric into the Values section. This will be the data that populates the pivot table. Customize the pivot table. Sort and filter. Use the sort and filter options to organize the data according to your needs. Formatting. Adjust formatting options like number formats, colors, and fonts in the Style tab to enhance readability. Save and review. Once configured, review the pivot table to ensure it displays data correctly. Click Save to apply the changes to your report.